Hi, this is Craig with Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Courtney today, and we're going to be taste testing the Ambika Mango. This is another one that we got from Homestead. I don't know much about it, but it may not be 100% right, but it has some anthracnose that looks like it's starting to get in there, and I want to get it before it gets into the flesh. It has some soft parts out here that look really, but it does have some green, so it may be a little underripe, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. Not much smell to it. A little bit of a smell. I don't really know how to put a name on it. It doesn't smell like one of the traditional mango smells. The texture is kind of bad on this one. It tastes overripe instead of underripe. It's a little mushy, a little bit mealy. Got
a bit of a pumpkin-y flavor to it.
Yeah. It's not super sweet. It does have a little pumpkin. It has a little bit of...
Dropped it on the table.
Yeah.
A little bit of chalkiness, maybe.
Seems a little bit resinous.
I'm not getting resin in it. That's something else.
Fiber.
Well, it's got a little fiber, but
I don't know. It's all right. It's got a little bit of flavor, like a Bailey's marble in it,
yeah, I don't. It's
which you don't like.
yeah. Well, I didn't like that one we had. I wanted to like Bailey's marble.
You tasted something that I didn't.
Maybe that's what I'm tasting in this one because I don't really like this. I mean, I got to say the strongest flavor that I can identify in that is pumpkin.
It's kind of a savory mango.
A lot of it's the texture. It's just, and again,
Pumpkin texture.
it's cooked pumpkin texture,
And flavor.
weak pumpkin flavor. It has a little bit of mango flavor. It has a little bit of sweetness, but not much. It has an aftertaste the aftertaste is what's kind of chalky. Maybe some spiciness to it, like the real spiciness that's it tastes kind of like
Indian mango spicy.
yeah, it's
Baked good spice.
maybe cinnamon, but like not like in a good way cinnamon. Like, you know, if you did the cinnamon challenge and you held the cinnamon in your mouth for a minute and your eyes are watering and you spit it out and you rinsed your mouth out good. This feels like the aftertaste that you might have left
Because
in your
you washed
chest.
it out with
After
some
you-
pumpkin.
Yeah, clam juice or something like that.
It's not that bad.
No, it's not. I'm just saying that would be, if
Yeah.
you still had that aftertaste, the aftertaste of this is the worst part.
I don't get any, and so to me it must have that thing in it, like Bailey's marble, that you don't like. Because I'll eat a Bailey's marble and be like,
I didn't
this
taste the aftertaste either.
Really? See,
Yeah.
I'm still tasting it. It's
See, that's something that you taste that we don't taste.
okay. No me gusta. Anyway,
I'll take some more. I didn't mind.
oh, really?
I thought it was a 7.
oh, okay.
That's not what
I would have gone with
given.
like a 4.
That's 6.
Take another bite and let's see how far down it goes.
Okay.
We'll count down to, I got enough pieces there to get you to 0, I think. Or 1 anyway.
See, that was a 7 piece.
Uh,
The texture,
Well, the texture,
It's
I
not
think,
good.
the texture may be a combination of overripe and some anthracnose that's getting into the flesh that...
it's a little resinous.
I only would have given it like a 3.
I'm gonna say a 5. I give it a solid 5.
keeps going down. There's another piece there. Maybe get it at 3.
Yeah, that picture was a 3.
Okay. So the more you eat, the worse it gets. That's not a good thing.
No.
And to me, I feel like I have this thing in my mouth. I
I
need.
get a bit of the aftertaste now. It's
Yeah.
muskiness.
Yeah, it's chalky, but not chalky flavor, chalky feeling. And not
It's
really
old.
astringent. It's not.
It
It's.
tastes old. Like
And it could be, it's an old mango. I assume by the name that it is an Indian mango. It sounds like an Indian name, but and Indian mangoes can have a lot of very complex flavor profiles that maybe take a little getting used to. They're very good once you're used to them, but I'm not used to this one. And the more we're getting used to it, the lower the numbers dropping.
yeah,
So.
it's not candy-like at all.
No, and it's not even very sweet. And for
Yeah.
being overripe and still not sweet, it probably is not just a very sweet mango. But yeah, I don't like this one. This is what did I say, 4, and y'all got down to 3. So somewhere down in the don't plant zone.
It's less than average.
Well less than average. Anyway, so I didn't like this one. Sorry, but at least we got to try it, and now we know. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you've had any different experiences with the Ambika, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.